वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलाम्
Hello Indians. Hashtag very good morning to all of you.
You too, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to welcome my chief guest and I would like to say thank you to all my teachers who gave me this golden opportunity to speak before you. Now, as you know, today all of us are here to celebrate our Republic Day. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January because our Constitution of India came to force in this day and in 1915. This day reminds us about our struggle for our country and how the great freedom fighters sacrificed their life for just to get us food Swaraj. It's because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country and every citizen has their rights and values. That's why we have to be grateful for it. Now without wasting more time, let's come to the point. So now guys, today I am going to give a speech on importance of moral education. I know it's very common and just for children, but seeing the nowadays situation, I felt that I have to speak about it. A few days ago, we came to know an issue. Issue is that in Bulandshahr of UP, a student of class 10 shot his colleague with gun. Why? Just for sitting on a seat. And also a same incident happened a few years ago. In Gujarat, a student of class 7th murdered a student of class 3rd just for holiday. These incidents shocked the whole society. Question is that why are students becoming so violent? And I think answer is that because of lack of moral education. Today we force students to learn the professional skills and on the other hand we are ignoring moral education which make balance with society. Today students don't want to learn moral education because they think that they have a sick mindset that these moral education are not important for their school exams and that's why they are ignoring it. But they have no idea that these moral education are most important for their life exams. This type of student can only work for the society like a robot. But their work, how much valuable for the society it can be said. The most important asset of a country is the citizen itself. If citizens are sincere and honest, the nation will progress. But what about the today's youth? They are engrossed in other things. Everywhere you can see murder, corruption, rape, harassment, etc. etc. Why? Because of lack of moral education. Now you can understand the importance of moral education. It can help to preventing the society from crimes, from abuse, from corruption, violent behavior, and anxiety, and lots of problems. Nowadays, we are careless about the moral education and that's why you can see crimes everywhere. Today, moral education is a need of our, I think. It should be applied in our lives. Otherwise, the whole newspaper will always fill with crimes only. So at this auspicious occasion on Republic Day today, let's all take an oath that we all always applied moral education in our life and replace all the crime from newspaper with our achievements. Jai Hind.